Yes, hello guys, welcome to this wonderful video of today. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can keep a very productive bananas and plantation for a very long time, because most of us believe that when that a plantation that is a plantation, it does not last for long. But in this video today, I'm going to teach you how you can keep your banana or plantation to last very long and give you a very good productivity. So that is what I'm going to teach you in this video of today. So first of all, I just want you to share, subscribe the video, like the video, and put your comment in the comment section below. So this is our farm here. I just want to show you some basic tips that you need to know in order to keep your farm very healthy, and it should always producing every year without dying. So this is what we have to do. We have, you see, this is a sucker, a banana tree, and under this tree he has bell, and here this is the third year of this same banana, of the same plantain that is being on that same position. So there is the third generation that we are seeing here. So I'm going to show you the basic, that is the secret behind it, and in the next 10 years this portion here will still be producing the same species of plantains for more than 10 years and above. So I just want to show you the secret. What is the secret? So first thing that you need to know, you always need to keep the under of your banana, plantains, anything, you have to always keep it clean. And each time, yeah, like now, this is the parent plant that has bell, and very soon, just about 2 weeks or 1 week, I'll come and harvest. Then you look under the sucker, under the mother plant, we have another generation of suckers that are coming up. So we have this one, we have one sucker, you can see one, we have two, you go this way, we have three here, we have 4 here. So when we cut down this mother plant here, we will give room now for these suckers to grow, for these 2 suckers. That is, we can allow these 3, that is this one here, because they are on opposite direction. They are on opposite direction. Why the mother plant is in the middle, so those 3 can grow there without any problem. So when we cut this one, we will allow this 1, 2, 3. Then the 4th sucker here, this is the one that we have to remove, so that it will give space for these other suckers to grow and bear. And when they bear, they will also have to give their own children. They will also have to give another generation. So we always like to keep the under of our plantation very clean. When you keep it clean, your plantain will be free from diseases, from insects, and many other things. As you can see, you see that it is very clean. You see, even very soon we are going to harvest, because it has already strong. Let me just show you. You can see that is a plantain here. It's already ready. We can cut it at any time. But when we look at the leaves are still very green. The leaves are still very green. You can see the leaves are still very green. That is to show that this plantain, we keep it very well, and it was free away from diseases. That is how the plantain has to grow very healthy and still free from diseases. You can see that is it, very clean. That is a species. Then the other one there is a banana, because I plant is a mix plantation. So we go now to another one. Okay, yeah, for example, you see that here, I don't know if you are seeing well. Here, this is another species of plantain. This plantain here we see is another species. It has about it's 5 hand, we call it long hand plantains. Those that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those that one has 7 hand. Then we come now to this other species here. Yes, also bear. You can see that is it. That one has just 1 hand. It's just 1 hand, and the 1 hand carries about 15 plantain, and that is all. That is its own species. As you can see, that is it. Yeah, just 1 hand. That is another species. We look it under. We also see his own shoot. That is another generation. That is another suckers at the corner. When we cut this one, those suckers under will take over from the parents. Now we go down again. We go down. You can see this one. That is the same thing. You can see there are suckers around. The under is very clean. Then you look at the bunch. That is the fruit. You see that this one is another species. That is how our farm is, and that is how it is always good that when you are planting your plantain, you have the variety of species in your farm. That will help to keep your farm very attractive, and you can get whatever thing you want. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you like, you share, comment, ask a question, I'll get back to you. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video.